Getting started with Squarecap takes only a few minutes and allows teachers to automatically track attendance, encourage class participation, and provide students with immediate feedback. This tutorial will show you how easy it is to sign up for an account, create your classes, and choose your settings for attendance and engagement. Get started by visiting squarecap.com and select Sign Up in the top right. Select your school or institution and create an account with your school email address and a secure password. If we have already integrated with your learning management system, you will be prompted to sign in with your LMS user ID instead of an email. Email us at help@squarecap.com for more information on how to set this up. You will be creating a teacher account, while your students will select Student. Add your first name and last name so that students can search for your class after they sign up. Create a new course by adding the subject, course number, and course name that you would like students to see. Add sections to your course if you would like to present the same set of Squarecap questions in more than one class. If you want students to enroll themselves, keep this box checked. You can add a roster to your course at any time. You can also add more courses here or from the main Settings tab under Course Settings. Select Manage your roster to add your students manually by uploading a CSV file. Please include the first name, last name, school user ID, and email of each student. Once added, you can access and also manage the roster from your main course page. Important information about a student's status is also highlighted on the roster. Select Add Seat Map if you would like to add or create a personalized seat map for your classroom. This seat map will allow students to report where they are sitting each day, to let professors know who is in each individual seat, visualize how the class is doing on each question, and automatically group students for discussions. It's very easy to create your seat map by placing seats in your classroom arrangement. Click in each box to add a seat number if you wish. Once you set up your course, choose your session settings to enable or disable any of the optional Squarecap features, like a question timer, attendance verification, or the student ask and vote. You can choose to take attendance by marking unverified suspected students as absent and/or requiring an automatically generated join code. If you select the first method, please instruct students to log on to Squarecap using the Wi-Fi in your particular classroom. Students who log in from home or from across campus will be flagged as absent and will not receive credit for questions answered. These students will also see a message that asks them to verify attendance with you for an override if they are flagged in error. Turn on the Ask and Vote to allow students to ask questions via Squarecap during your lecture. You and your approved TAs will instantly see the questions and can answer them in line or as a class. Students can anonymously see the questions asked by peers and can vote and reply to the questions on the board. Check here if you would like to approve each question before it is posted. Navigate to Course Settings to edit your current course or create new courses. Here, you can also choose to give TAs access to your Squarecap account. Please email us their information after they create their own student account, and we will waive the student fee and add them as a teacher to your course. Check here to automatically publish your finished sessions so that students can view and study their questions and feedback after class. You can also choose to publish ignored questions or hide this course from the course dropdown if you wish. Save your settings and return to your main dashboard to create a new session and start adding questions to engage your students. For more information, watch either of our next tutorials, how to add questions or how to use Squarecap in class. For one-on-one help, schedule a personalized demonstration anytime with one of our experts by visiting www.squarecap.com/demo.